Travis Wingitzel. Back from my forced vacation for a week. During the week, a Russian who was claiming to be Mormon, talking Jesus, asked me if the Church of Almond Christ had any sacred texts or books for him to refer to for my sacred views. I merely replied with the Book of Mormon and a link to the Joseph Smith Papers. We've all read the Book of Mormon. Right there in the very beginning, it says Nephi says that he writes it after the manner of his father, which is the learning of the Jews, language of the Egyptians. And it's the same thing as in the Gospels, not just the Old Testament. They are the learning of the Jews, the language of the Egyptians. For example, behold, this is my son of Mary, in whom I am well pleased. Mary in Egyptian is beloved, language of the Egyptians. There's a whole ton of Egyptian language in the Gospels with the learning of the Jews. And so that's why the character Jesus is given the name of the mother as Mary, because it refers to the Egyptian. It is not meant to be a literal history. It's just another apocalyptic literature that was written during the Roman period. And so there isn't any great grand secret. The code that I used to refer to is not the same code of the learning of the Jews, language of the Egyptians. That was about the attack on America from 9/11, 1826. They had to finish the book of William Morgan, a warning message against the enemy that was going to destroy us. So, I know it's tough for those who have not been taught this. I had to find at school, well, I didn't find it, I just sort of fell into it. And they provided all the learning that I needed, and I just went with it, because I was born and raised Mormon. And so, it's sad that Mormons are scared to learn the truth, that they shun and flee from any title that says something contrary to their beliefs, their sacred views, as the Russian asked me. And it's unfortunate that one person who is an expert in Mormonism is the one who has the least amount of views on YouTube. But there's a reason why the church put me here. Locked me up for Independence Day. So, what's it gonna take?